Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you restore deleted photos on Android without installing any app. This method is built into most Samsung devices and can help you quickly recover your important memories in just a few steps. Method 1. Recover photos. Using Samsung Gallery. Recycle bin. If you accidentally delete your photos, don't panic. Samsung automatically stores deleted images in the recycle bin trash for a limited time before they are permanently removed. To begin, open the gallery menu. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 lines or dots, located in the corner of the screen. From the list of options, select recycle bin or trash, depending on your device model. Inside the recycle bin, you will see all recently deleted photos and videos. These files are usually kept for up to 30 days, giving you a safe window to recover them. Now, simply tap and hold on the photo you want to restore. You can also select multiple items at once if needed. After selecting your files, tap the restore option. The photos will immediately return to their original location in your gallery, just like before deletion. This built-in feature is extremely useful and saves you from the hassle of using third-party recovery apps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more easy Android tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.